So you had two questions about hiring people. So what if you hire someone, set milestones with them and the amount of dollars they will get for each achievement, but they do not deliver on time? Can you then ask less money, or is it possible to terminate the contract? So basically, if you hire someone on Upwork, you set a project budget, right? So let's say you set $1,000 for the whole project. And then you have like, let's say if one job, just for the sake of the example, is $100, you can set like 10 milestones of each being 100, right?
Yes.
So it's only the moment you create the first milestone and you fund it that the money goes in escrow. And then if they deliver it, you can accept it or decline it. Okay, so you're not bound to anything until you release the funds and pay them. Up until then, you can like cancel the contract and there's no problem. So if you set your project budget to $1,000, you can just
Yes.
cancel it without any problem.
But then once it is in escrow, I think then you have 14 days, right, to just like pay them or something. I saw that in Upwork. So I'm not sure if I put the money in escrow. I'm not sure about that. But then you have to pay them eventually. Only if it's just for one video, like not the whole €1,000, but then the €100.
Yeah. So I'm not sure about how long the escrow period is, but what I do know is that if you are not happy with what he delivered, I
Yeah.
think if the money is in escrow, you can still cancel the contract and get your money back. But even when you did pay him, then you can still ask for a refund on Upwork if you're really like not satisfied with what he delivered. And then you can also still get your money back if you tell them like, he promised this and this and this, but he just did not deliver it and I accepted it, but it's actually not what I thought I was getting. So you can also
Yeah.
do that really like really shit.
Okay. Yeah, maybe I'm going to do that because I he delivered a video and it was totally a different video from what I just told him what he should do. So then he was like, "Yeah, oh, I'm gonna change it," and then now I'm still waiting like for a week about the second video. So I'm just
Yeah.
like, I'm gonna end this contract and just
Yeah.
find another one because this one is obviously not
Not worth doing like, yeah,
working.
that's
No.
exactly what we've been talking about last few weeks, right? Like they always overpromise and underdeliver. So in this case, I would just terminate it and yeah, move on to another one because like if the
Yeah.
first job is already causing headaches and is annoying,
Yeah.
then you
Exactly.
probably move on to someone else. Yes.
Yes, and it is just important to have like good communication between each other. And
Exactly.
if it's bad, like the first time, then yeah, it's not gonna work.
Yeah, exactly. Like it's just a bad start, right? You don't want to like get into that.
No, no, exactly.
Mhm.
So
Does that answer
yeah,
your question? I see you had the second one too. If you're set out a job post with a total budget of example 250 and you hire someone, they perform okay, but you do not want to continue. That's basically the question, the second part of the question you just asked, right?
yeah, yeah. So I'm gonna check what is in escrow, but I think from based on your answer, I can just how do you say it?
Get your money back.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you probably can just get it back without a problem and then hire someone else. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that, and I have two other video editors that are doing okay. So I think I'm just gonna continue with them and
Mhm.
give them the rest of the videos, and then
Mhm.
yeah, it's gonna be okay.
Okay,
And then
awesome.
finally, I can
Yeah.
post them.
Yeah, like honestly, yeah, if you get them, like honestly, I wouldn't even wait to get your 15 videos. I think if you get like two or three of them, I would already start posting just to like warm up your channel, get into the algorithm and just maybe get some views already, right? Because you who knows,
Yes,
the first video already gets good traction and gets a lot of views already.